Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So officially it is October 1, which means Halloween. So I'm gonna start doing Halloween look here, which is my favorite kind of look. So I'm just gonna put my eyebrows, lay them together with the help of glue, and after that I'm gonna take a foundation to camouflage my eyebrows to the skin, as you can see. And moving on, I'm gonna just roughly sketch my face just to give a rough idea of where everything goes. So I'm just gonna apply white paint all over my face and then just to again camouflage myself with the backdrop. I'm gonna add in black and then I'm just trying to like make myself blend into with the background so that it comes up very beautifully when it comes to this kind of look where I'm just trying to make myself look broken sculpture. So I'm gonna obviously start contouring my face, which is a very important key here. It looks so much different when you do all this. So I'm just gonna do that, and then after that I'm just gonna add white. This is gonna be like the base of my top part of the sculpture where it looks like broken and underneath is white. You know how sculpture are. So adding in my other part of the lip just to make sure that my lips are falling apart with the sculpture, so it's gonna give me a more realistic look. So I'm just gonna shade that in. Shading, contouring, everything is a very important key. So moving on to eyes, I wanted to firstly make sure that it looks more natural, so I just wanted a white lens, so that it blends in with my eye color. But then I thought drawing in the eyes would look more realistic, so I thought I'll just give it a try, and I think I did pretty much good here. As you can see, the both eyes looks really real. So I'm gonna add in some debris just to make it more real, looking as if like it's falling apart. And then I'm gonna add some cracks all over my face. This will make it look so much better, trust me, when you do this. So I'm just adding it wherever I want to, just go with the flow. And then make sure that you add in shading. It makes it look more real, what I'm trying to say here. I'm trying realistic and real words a lot here, but anyway, that is what I'm trying to go. So with the help of toothbrush, I'm adding in or spraying those color, little bit of dots everywhere in my face, and then I'm topping it with a black color because it kind of gives illusion of like having a hole. You know how statues are, you can see it. So adding in more crack, and there you go, we have our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you recreate this look, make sure to tag me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You got to let it go.